So Earth may not be the best planet in the universe. Researchers have identified 2 dozen planets in our solar system that have conditions more suitable life than our own. Some of these orbit stars that may even be even better than our sun. A study led by Washington State University scientist Dirk Sergi McCart recently published the journal Astrobiology details characteristics of super habitable Earths. That includes either older, slightly larger, slightly warmer, possibly red than Earth. Life could also easily thrive on these planets that cycle around more slowly changing stars with longer lifespans than our Sun. The top 24 contenders for super habitable planets are older than 100 light years away. So that means literally 100 years to travel to all those planets if you travel the speed of light. But they studied that it could future opportunities some efforts such as NASA's Space Webb Telescope and European Space Agency's Pluto Space Telescope. With the next space telescopes coming up, we'll get more information so it's important to select these targets, said Ceres McCarthy, president of the WSU at the Technical University in Berlin. We have to focus on planets that are the most promising conditions for complex life. However, we have to not get careful with stuff looking for in the second Earth because there will be planets that are more suitable life than ours. Again, some planets could have, hostile life as well. We don't know, but yeah. For the study, Cerise Metcalf, a geobiologist and expertise in planetary habitability, teamed up with astronomers Leon Hiller of the Max Planck Institute of Solar System Research and Edward Gideon, Berlin University, have identified superhabitability criteria to source among 4,500 known exoplanets beyond our solar system for good candidates. Habitability does not mean the planet life definitely lives there. It means that there could be that life could go there, could be likely live there. So yeah, it took 4 billion years for life to form on Earth, and yeah. Since researchers selected planets that are systems with probable celestial planets orbiting within the whole style is liquid water habitable zone from Kepler object interest exoplanet Archie translating exoplanet, while the Sun is the center of our solar system. It has a relatively short lifespan of 10 billion years. Since it took our sun's since it took 4 billion years for any form of complex life to appear on Earth, many similar stars to our sun called Z-stars might run out of fuel before complex life could develop. It doesn't look at systems cool with Z-stars. These stars have 20 to 70 billion year lifespans, allowing orbiting planets to be older as well as giving life more time to advance complexity currently found on Earth. However, the habitable planets have to not be old so they have exhausted their geothermal heat and lack protective geomagnetic fields. Mars is one of them. They don't have no atmosphere at all. Earth is around 4.5 billion years old, but researchers say that the argue for the sweet spot for life is 5 to 8 billion years old. Size and mass do matter. Planet times harder for Earth to be more habitable because yes, it's gonna have better radioactive decay and all that stuff. So there we go. There are 24 planets that are basically more better than our planet. So yes, in the future, so we can be on other planets. Basically, we can, organize, put, all the great animals with us as well. So yep, that's basically it. Goodbye.